Hi guys, I'm Ronnie. Welcome back to Screwshop. Today we're going to be talking about Mdf-Tite. Eliminate blistering in your MDF board the easy way. Mdf-Tite from TITE-FIX is the perfect fixing for you. So let's take a look at these screws. Mdf-Tite has been designed to eliminate blistering when installing MDF boards and are available in 3 different lengths that match the most common boards. The screw clamps the board fast and will not pull apart under load. It will not blister the board on the insertion. Mdf-Tite can also be used on other fibre boards such as Chipboard, Hardboard, Strand Board, Loft Panels, Plywood, P5 board and OSB2, OSB3. So that's the Mdf-Tite screws available direct from Screwshop along with the rest of the TITE-FIX range. I've been Ronnie, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.